S161 MAX Brushless 4K Drone. Pocket-sized power with screen control and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. The S161 MAX Drone is a compact yet powerful UAV engineered for both beginner and experienced pilots seeking 4K HD video, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and long-range FPV control, all packed in a foldable, portable frame. With its brushless motors, screen-equipped remote, and up to 3,000 meters of range, the S161 MAX redefines what a mini drone can do. Whether you're flying for fun, content creation, or learning the ropes of aerial photography, this drone gives you premium features in a pocket-sized design. 4K HD camera, high-quality imaging in every flight. Capture ultra-clear aerial footage with the built-in 4K HD camera. Dual storage options. Save media directly to your mobile device or a memory card for higher quality. Supports JPG for photos and MP4 for videos, making content creation seamless. Smart flight technology and obstacle avoidance. Equipped with 360 degrees full surround obstacle avoidance sensors, this drone intelligently detects and avoids nearby objects, perfect for safer indoor and outdoor flying. Features optical flow positioning, allowing stable hover even without GPS. One-click takeoff, landing, headless mode, and speed adjustment make piloting intuitive and beginner-friendly. High-efficiency brushless motors. Powered by 1104 brushless motors, the S161 MAX offers more power, smoother control, and longer motor life than brushed alternatives. Delivers enhanced flight stability even in light wind conditions. Built-in screen remote control, no phone needed, no smartphone required. Fly and view in real time with the remote controller's built-in LCD screen. Provides live FPV video feed, battery status, signal strength, and flight data at a glance. Remote and app-based control options offer flexibility for every type of pilot. Flight performance. Max flight range. Up to 3,000 meters, control and video transmission. Flight time. Approximately 12 minutes. Battery capacity. 7.4 volts 1200 mAh modular lithium battery. Charging time. Approximately 120 minutes. Low power protection helps prevent crashes during low battery. Compact and travel-ready design. Folded dimensions. 13.7 x 9 x 3 centimeters. Unfolded dimensions. 16 x 13.7 x 3 centimeters. Bare weight. 142 grams, with battery. Under 250 grams, great for flying without registration in many countries. Lightweight but solid ABS construction and LED flight indicators make it ideal for both daytime and nighttime flying. Flight features at a glance. 4K camera with real-time FPV. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Optical flow positioning. Screen display remote control. Foldable and portable. One-key takeoff, landing. Headless mode. Altitude hold 3 speed modes. Long-range control, 3,000 meters, USB charging. Suitable for -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius operations. What's in the box? One S161 MAX Drone, foldable. One screen display remote controller. One rechargeable drone battery, 7.4 volts 1200 mAh. One USB charging cable. 2 user manuals. 2 spare propeller blades. 1 screwdriver. Packaged in a protective box. 20 x 15.5 x 12.5 centimeters. Weight. 728 grams Inkle. Packaging. Who's it for? Beginners wanting a stable, easy-to-use drone. Travelers and vloggers needing a compact flying camera. Parents and gift buyers seeking a high-quality tech gift. Drone enthusiasts looking for a sub-250G FPV platform with real power.